This is how I decorate a fern swirl. I use a camouflage stamp. Some people use a veiner, but I prefer the camo. I start with it right at the termination point, lean it hard just to define that. And starting on the outside row, lean it hard into the cut. You're getting about a third of the stamp. Keep them evenly spaced. Keep the same angle as you go around. Now this fern swirl has a leaf on it, so I just put a little one at the base of the leaf. Pick it back up. Continue around, keeping the same angle. Try to keep the same spacing. Bring it around till you're just past the overlap point and stop.